morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whoa, no. Let's go.
Yo guys, so let's start with the first asset or the first design. Look guys, this is, if you are like just beginner, you just started, this is can be really difficult for you. Why? Because there is a lot of the basics match together, so you can make this. Okay, but we will take it easy and don't start with something like this with a big design, like you have a big size, because pixel art, as we know, it's all about the size of the canva and stuff like that. So here we will make like a box, you know what I mean, like some magical box or something like that, and they will make a lot of different styles. So when you want to make something like this is like a top down, we can say that this is a top down design. So top down style we are focusing more on the top side and the down side, so we have two different sides. I think you got the idea, the basic idea. So how we can make it to look like pop and to look really nice and unique? What we need to do is this: we have to focus on the top side to look really pop, like the eye focus more on the top more than the down. How? The top should be like lighter, more lighter. We have a lot of highlights. The biggest details or the most obvious details are in the top, so the eye will focus more on the top and make the look more top down than a normal design. You know what I mean? It's kind of difficult to understand this concept if you just start, and that's super normal. If you understand that in the first time, maybe you are a genius. So yeah. So guys, after we do that, we can add some the normal details or the normal texture, so we can know what is that. So as you see, it's a basic box. It's a box. It can be anything. Like we have gold inside, maybe some potions, maybe some weapons. We don't know. So here comes your ideas, your concept, the idea of your game and stuff like that. So to make something really like that unique, you have to focus on the colors, on the shape, specifically the shape. So here we have just a box, okay, just a flat box, but the top side we have more light, more highlight, and the downside are more darker. So we are making the eyes thinks that it's not a flat shape anymore. Like see what we will do right now in the top of the box. As you see, even the box, the top of the box, we have two sides. The first side are lighter, the down are darker. So we see it as a 3D shape, even if it's just a 2D shape and it's just a pixel art. But we are making the eye thinks that this is like 3D or or top down. It's a simple concept, but takes some time to understand. Okay, guys. So I want you to copy something like that. Look, if you just start, always use small pixels, like small sizes. Don't work on like 80 by 80 or 60 by 60 to make like something like this. Okay, I just wanted to do something kind of big, just to give you some motivation and to help you to see what you can do with pixel art. Because with pixel art you can do anything, bro. You can make any kind of designs. There is no limit with pixel art. So yeah, we did this first box. It's just a sample box. Yeah, we can test anything. So let's go. Okay, so now we will take the same box and we can make it like a silver box. So we have a gold box and silver box. How we can do that? Let's go. So yeah, we can just change the colors. The gold color, we can change it to silver color. Just change the color and we have a new design. So yeah, that's not cheating. That's just working smart. Yeah, work smart. So yeah, we change the colors and we have a new design. You can use it on your game. Yeah, and maybe you can do like Control U and you can change the hue and saturation, and you have a different design. Of course, that's not cheating. That's not cheating. Okay, that's working smart. And yeah, that will help you in your game, or if you are working like in freelance or something like that. That can help you. It can help you just if you want to test another colors and another concepts. And yeah, we can go crazy with that. Let's test some crazy stuff. Okay, now the idea I want to do, I want to do like a demonic box, like a box that when you see it, you don't want to open this shit because it doesn't look good. It looks like demonic or it's gonna explode or something like that. There is some energy that not good to deal with it. This is what I want to make. So I will start to add the colors that makes you think that this is dangerous, like red. Maybe we can do a lot of gray. We can design some bloods, like to make it look dangerous. You know what I mean. The first one was happy. Yeah, gold. We're all like gold, of course. Gold is money. Here I wanted to do some chain, like some chains, so we can make like if something is inside or something is like a prison to something, like there is a demon inside or something like that, maybe, yeah, or there is some like strong weapon inside. You know what I mean? Like you can test this stuff. Feel free to do it, man. And please don't even say like this is a bad concept or this is a bad idea. Just have fun and make whatever you think is a good idea. Make it. Even if you think it's a bad idea, just do it. Maybe another people or like someone who plays your game thinks it's a nice idea. Who knows? You know what I mean? So after we did this, I wanted to go like test more stuff. And as you see, I'm just testing stuff. And after that, I will do some animation and I will show you how to do animation to this. So I use Photoshop. Basically, I use Photoshop because I'm addicted to Photoshop. I'm so addicted to it. So yeah, Sprite is better than Photoshop in PixelArt. But I have one problem with Sprite is my tablet. I have a really old tablet, so maybe the problem is in my tablet, not in Sprite. But yeah, I use Sprite in animation. But here we're gonna use Photoshop. Look, PixelArt, you have no excuse. You can use wherever you want in PixelArt. You can use your phone or I don't know. PixelArt doesn't need any technology or something like that. So yeah, guys. So we did add some gold stuff like to make it more unique, stuff like that. Yeah, I did this box and yeah, there's nothing really wow to say about this. We did one concept, but from this one concept we get like 4 designs or something like that. The normal box, like silver, gold, silver, and this demonic box or something like that. I did another box, but yeah, let's take it step by step and like, share, or whatever you want.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.